Welcome to Dwarka City News Channel. Today, we bring you an exclusive coverage of the MUN Event 4.0, held at Delhi International School Edge, Dwarka Sector 18, on the 27th and 28th of July. The annual event was graced by the presence of esteemed guests, Chief Guest Mr. Deepak Vora, and Special Guest Mr. Abhishek Srivastav. The program commenced with a warm welcome ceremony where Principal Mrs. Anubha Srivastav extended her heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries and highlighted the significance of MUN in shaping young minds. Let's hear more from the principal herself.
Namaskar Prakriti. When I say Model United Nations Conference, I see the entire world. I foresee a global organization which has been in function since decades, bringing different nations on the world on a single platform to talk about global issues, to brainstorm on the possible solution. And the fundamental thing is that they are confined to finding resolves which are best suited for the sustainable growth of the world. So when I introduced Model United Nations Conference to the school, my idea was to sensitize the children to start thinking the way the heads of the nations, the representatives of the nation would think, to balance the need of their own country, or as a child to balance your own needs, keeping in mind the larger good.
Students from various schools participated with great enthusiasm, showcasing their skills and knowledge. They took on the roles of delegates, engaging in discussions on diverse topics, seeking solutions to global issues, and honing essential skills like diplomacy, communication, and leadership. The MUN event provided these young delegates with a platform to exchange ideas and learn from each other, fostering a deeper understanding of international relations and global challenges. We had the opportunity to interview some of the distinguished guests who attended the event. Here are a few highlights.
I'm Bhavna Pandey from DCV campus. So firstly, I would like to thank Anubha ma'am and the management of Delhi International School Edge for organizing and giving this opportunity to students to be a part of the MUN, which they very eagerly look forward to every year. It was really heartening to see their enthusiasm when they were getting awarded, a very well conducted award ceremony, great exposure to the children, great camaraderie. These kind of platforms really help children to develop their confidence and also to make friends and also learn so many new things from each other while being here. So all the best to DIS Edge. It was a wonderful occasion and thank you for inviting me over. Thanks a lot.
I am Advaita Vadini Kaul. I am a freelance researcher, and my specialization is interdisciplinary traditions of India and also the study on Kashmir, its history and traditions, because I come from Kashmir. I have previously worked in Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts as chief editor and as head of the Kalakosh division of the center, which does research and bring out publication series on Indian arts and culture.
Good evening, my name is Mona Lisa Sarkar. I am the headmistress of Delhi International School Edge, Dwarka. So this was my first experience to witness the MUN at Delhi International School Edge, and the whole program which was conducted over a period of 2 days was so captivating. The way the delegates actually covered the social issues which are relevant to today's situation was mesmerizing. I really hope to witness these in this MUN every year with the students with more enthusiasm. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दीपक वोरा है। मैं भारत का राजदूत हूं और कुछ अफ्रीकी देशों में विशेष सलाहकार, कारगिल और लेह में भी विशेष सलाहकार हूं। मैं आज दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल एच द्वारका सेक्टर 13 में मैं आया हूं। बहुत अच्छा लगा। यहाँ पर एक सिमुलेटेड यूनाइटेड नेशंस कॉन्फ्रेंस जिसे हम कहते हैं MUN, वो हो रही है। बच्चों में उत्साह जो मैंने देखा, उनकी जानकारी जो मैंने देखी, बहुत उससे मैं इम्प्रेस हुआ, क्योंकि ये बच्चों में उत्साह है। ये जानना चाहते हैं कि हमारी दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है और दुनिया को और बेहतर कैसे बनाया जाए। तो जब इनसे बातचीत की, मुझे लगा कि ऐसी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होती हैं, ऐसी जो कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होती हैं, ये और होनी चाहिए ताकि बच्चों को मौका मिले अपने विचारों को प्रकट करने का, पढ़ाई करने का, आउटसाइड द कोर्स, आउटसाइड द करिकुलम, और दुनिया में जो कुछ हो रहा है। तो हमारी दुनिया बिल्कुल अब लगता है कि बहुत ही कमज़ोर है इस समय, चाहे वातावरण, पर्यावरण हो, चाहे शांति हो, चाहे इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट हो, बहुत सी चुनौतियां हैं। तो आगे कैसे बढ़ना है, हमारे जो पुराने विचार थे वो किसी काम के नहीं है। तो बच्चों पे अब है कि नए विचारों से हमें बताएं, हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें कि आगे हम कैसे जा सकते हैं। इसीलिए ये जो दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल एज ने ये जो आयोजन किया है ए सिमुलेटेड यूनाइटेड नेशंस का, उनको बहुत मुबारक देता हूँ।
The MUN Event 4.0 at Delhi International School Edge was a resounding success. It enriched the students' experience, preparing them for the future with a better understanding of global issues and essential life skills.